on family, food, and festivities. So overindulging is almost par for the course. According to the British Dietetic Association, on average, folks will consume around 6,000 calories on Christmas Day alone. And research shows the average weight gain is around 3 pounds over the holidays. I feel seen. Joining me now is Dr. Sue Dakota, a weight loss specialist. Dr. Sue, I have to believe that people almost hate to see you coming when the family's there. They're like, she's going to watch everything I'm putting on my plate.
Well, all I can tell you is it's not worth blowing it, because you can actually gain a lot more than 3 pounds over the holiday season. And realize that a lot of your calories are coming from alcohol and snacks. So you go to a cocktail party and you're picking at these greasy hors d'oeuvres that are passed around. You're having a couple of cocktails, the aperitifs, and that turns your appetite on. Even though you may have the best intentions, when you actually sit down to dinner, you're going to eat a lot more. So it's really not worth putting all those extra calories on. So I have a couple of tips for my patients. Number one, be hydrated, okay? Don't go to a party or a family festivity thirsty. Drink a lot of water before you go, because a lot of what we drink is because we're actually dehydrated. So that really helps. If it's going to be a huge feast, believe it or not, 3 or 4 hours before, eat a small snack, something like a handful of nuts or a small apple with some peanut butter. So you're satisfied and you don't go absolutely ravenous. And so many patients these days, so many of my patients are on GLP-1 drugs, right? Such as Tirzepatide, Ozempic, Semaglutide, Wegovy. And you know what? A lot of those patients make the mistake of stopping their medication before the holidays. That's the worst thing you can do. Why gain all that weight when you're going to have to take it back off again? And if you start off feeling before the holidays that you'd like to lose a couple of pounds, your metabolism perhaps is a bit slow, and as we get older, that happens to most of us, is it really worth indulging? So I think it's really important, whether you're a normal weight or whether you want to lose a few pounds, don't do this damage to yourself. And you don't really have to.
Don't do the damage. Make sure you're hydrated. Make sure you have a bit of a meal before you start munching down those greasy snacks. Dr. Sue Dakota, thank you so much.
Thank you. Happy holidays.
Absolutely. Same to you. And that